Hello! So today we're going to be talking about basically the functions of MathWay and how it'll help and how to use it. It's a great tool for helping with any type of homework, anytime you're stuck on something and just not knowing what to do and need an explanation and not just an answer. MathWay is definitely perfect for this. It definitely gives you an explanation and also the answer. That way it's like explaining, so it's it's just not like here's the answer, don't know how to do it, but so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys just some simple things that we could do on here. We can do something as simple as 8x plus 4 is equal to let's say 18. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit, and it's going to solve for x, and it says move all terms that don't contain x to the right side and solve, and it gives the exact form, the decimal form, mixed number form, any one that you're needing. And then we could also try 9x plus 2y is equal to 35. Go ahead and push submit. It's going to ask you what we're going to be solving for. For this, it's just whatever like you're needing help on. If it's not on here, we can always look it up if nothing is there. But for here, we're going to just say solve, or we're going to say find the x and y intercepts, and then it's going to do that for us. And so it says to find the x-intercept, you substitute in 0 for y and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, you substitute the 0 for the x and solve for y. And it gives you both intercepts. And then it'll even offer to show you the graph, which you can tap here and look at the graph. I know it's kind of small, but yeah, so there's that. And if we're wanting to do something like a little bit more different, we can always do, let's just plug in numbers here. Let's say 4, 9, 5, 2, and 3. Okay, go ahead and hit there. It'll ask again what are we looking for, and for this one we can say just plot, and it'll give us the plot of the points, so we can put it onto the graph. And then we can just tap here and we can see that graph as well, and it'll just show us the points, something simple. No matter what it is, typically MathWay will do everything for you. It has all the functions and everything. Depending on what you're wanting, it'll always, let's say adding fractions, you can do 2 over 4 plus, and then 8 over 16, and go ahead and hit there. And then we're going to say write the fraction in the simplest form, okay, and then the simplest form is 1. So that's basically all that MathWay has to it. Those are just some examples of what you could do. It does have so many more functions, and you can even take a picture of your problem and it'll scan it and solve it for you, and kind of give you some information on why it is, and give you the explanation that we're needing. It's basically how it works. So if you have any questions, you guys just let me know, but that's basically it.